So my kind of recommendation, if you're trying to get into this business, or if you are a student who is trying, I would say just sit back a bit. I mean, the whole world is so fast with this, everything digital. I mean, digital models, digital drawings, and you can download and, you know, whatever. And you have these phones always like doing this, which is, I think it's too much. And you need to make your own kind of personality almost. Because it's not a short voyage that you're embarking upon. It's a really long and tiring process. So make sure that you love it, but also be calm. If you do really love it, be calm, sit back, and try to get to know yourself and what you're quite good at. What would you be best doing for a brand, or for, it could be even not even automotive. You could be going to NASA, or, you know, doing space voyage vehicles. So it's quite important to sit back, have a step back, and assess yourself. And yeah, I think that's what's quite missing in this day and age of, you know, digital. Find what you love, and if it's car design, I recommend it because it's really, really freaking awesome. I think it's the times when you see your baby on a motor show stand, but the best thing is when you see it on the road. That's, you know, what you did. And I guess for some people it's nothing, but for yourself it's pretty amazing. And that's why you need to do what you love, I guess. And yeah.